Well, I'm attempting to fix this seat that rattles back and forth. It shifts back and forth when you rock the seat, unless it's all the way at the very end of the little worm gear here. But anyway, this threads onto the worm gear, and then this is bolted to the other track. So this is the insert that goes in and out, and then this one's bolted to the outside, and the play that I'm feeling is this little bit right here. So every time you rock the seat back and forth, it's exactly how much. I have no idea why there's so much slack, but I have a feeling there may have been some sort of nylon sleeve or something inserted in there to take up this slack, because when I took this finally apart, there was a bunch of shit that was pretty hard. It wasn't grease, it was like a bunch of disintegrated crap. But anyway, I hope I'm not effing this seat up, but I'm going to end up welding this thing all the way through, so that way they're totally solid. And because one side is not threaded and the other one is. This one actually is. Not that you can really see. But anyway, trying to fix her.